Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss one of the dynamic function in Excel which gets updated every second, and that is the now function in Excel. So the Excel now function returns the current date and time which gets updated continuously when a worksheet is changed or opened. This now function takes no argument, and you can format the value returned by this now function as a date. So the purpose of this now function is to get the current date and time, and it will always return a number representing the current date and time in Excel. So this now function takes no parameter but requires an empty parenthesis. The value returned by this now function will get updated continuously even if there is a slight change in your sheet. So let's go and see how this now function is useful in Excel. So we have two examples here. The first example is to get the current date and time. So whenever you have to get the exact current date and time of your system in Excel, you can use this now function. And to do that, what we can do is that we can simply put equal to now, and then we'll put an empty parenthesis. This will provide us the exact date and time of our system. So right now it's 3rd March 2022, 11:12 p.m. Okay, and if I change anything in this sheet, you will see that it has been changed. So right now the exact timing is 23:12. So I'll wait till the time of 23:13 p.m. so that if I change anything in my system, it will reflect the minute change, which will be here 23:13. Okay, in my system it's 23:13. So let's change, or let's get into this cell, okay, and let's press enter. Once I pressed enter, you will see that this value has been changed automatically. So this now function will get updated continuously whenever this worksheet is changed or something has changed in the worksheet. So let's move on to our another example. So our example is to check how many hours is left in the expiration of our customer vouchers. So suppose you have a list of customer and you have given them a voucher worth of $1,000 or $2,000, and you need to say that, okay, these are the customers who have not redeemed their voucher, and I need to know how many days or how many time is left. So this customer might not redeem their voucher till the next 10 days, 15 days or 20 days, and you need to know that, okay, if that customer have not redeemed his voucher or her voucher till today, then how many days is left in which he can redeem their voucher. In order to get the number of days which is left from this voucher's valid date, what we can do is that we can simply put equal to now as our parameter. Okay, there is a typo mistake, now as a parameter. Okay, and we will drag this formula over here. Okay, what we will do is that we will simply put equal to this minus, okay, it should be this valid till minus today's date. Now we can say that, okay, this customer has 107 days left to get his voucher redeemed, else his voucher will not be valid anymore. So let's drag this formula, and you can see that for all of these customers, this date and time will get changed automatically every day when I'll open this Excel. So if I save this Excel, if I press Ctrl S, then in backend the system is calculating everything and it's updating everything. So if I change anything, you will see that the value is getting refreshed. All of these value, these cells, these particular cells and these cells, all of these values are getting updated. So this is how you can use the now function to return the current date and time, as well as you can use this now function values or result as another function input, and this function gets updated continuously whenever there is a change in the Excel sheet.